ago, I think this book exposed what I call the barricades of corruption, the dam of the city that is burst open, unleashing the tales of insatiable greed that continue to drown our nation.
Look at this news! Says some DPWH projects are unfinished because of corruption. That's terrible! The money should be for roads and bridges, not stolen. If leaders keep doing that, how can our country move forward? Change can start with us. If we grow up to be honest, we won't repeat their mistakes. Even in small things, like handling class funds, we can show transparency. Discipline matters. If we respect rules now, we respect laws later.
And fairness, we should treat everyone equally, not just our friends.
We should be leaders who refuse bribes and shortcuts.
So no bribing the class president for extra fries?
If our generation chooses honesty, discipline, and fairness, the future of our nation will be brighter.
We are the new generation. We will fight corruption. We will lead with honesty. We will build a better Philippines.
The future begins with us.
We are the new generation. The future